Hello.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following
Hello. Okay, so hello everyone. This
This is
is
your
day
brain when
two.
you're struggling to focus. And this is your brain when you're in the zone, but getting in the zone.
Yeah, day 6. So, hello everyone, this is day 6, and today we will do some tricks. Middle lane in game.
Some things aren't meant to be fair. I know you left me down and out, and now the river is red. Got that hit on your head. Should've buried your dead. Should've listened to me instead. Oh, how little you know.
So, hello everyone, this is day 6, and today we will do the template that we already. So, this is day 6, and today what we'll do is we will break down the template that we actually found. Okay, the asset that we already found as a template, which is GitHub repository. Today I will show you how you can actually break down a GitHub repository step by step, and this is really a so much interesting. Okay, you will learn a lot from today's video. Let's just get started. So what we do is we will do the breakdown using ChatGPT, then we will configure step by step. Okay, so let's just start it. So from the start what I will do is I'll just open ChatGPT. Let me just open it. Okay, then what we do is the template that we found 2 days ago. So here's the GitHub repository template. What I will do is I just copy the repository, paste it on the ChatGPT, and just enter, and it will completely break down what repository is all about. If you don't know the GitHub repository that we found 2 days ago, this is what it generate 50k lead generation. It's a repository which generate leads. Okay, so this is the lead system. We just need to understand what it is and how it will work. Okay, Okay, so as we go through the repository step by step, so here you can see what is this repository all about. Before I dive into the project, can you clarify what I want? Explain the project, what the project is and how it works. I'm showing you how you can break a repository step by step. Okay, this is really easy. Hey chat, let me know if background audio is whether overpowered or not. Okay, I will adjust it. Yeah, Shrideep, you can tell me if the background audio is overpowered or not. Shrideep, are you there? Okay, so what this project is, it's a 50k lead generation system is done for your automation template design. Automatically find potential business leads, enrich them with useful info, and store them so you can sell or contact them. It is not an AI product by itself, it is lead generation pipeline built mainly with N8N external data sources. A database, originally Airtable, optional AI for enrichment summaries and stories. What problem it solved? Manual finding leads usually mean searching Google Maps, opening website one by one, copy pasting email, guessing if the business is worth contacting. This system automates all that. Okay, as you can see, it shares everything that we need. Okay, so simplified it into a beginner proof version. Okay, turn this into a sellable service. So exactly how to represent each and end workflow node one by one. We want this one. Okay, let's see. Below is a node by node explanation of how this 50k lead generation system works. Okay, each box a node, data flow left. Okay, typical names, manual trigger, webhook, on triggers.
Get YouTube Music Premium with this toggle thingy.
So what we are doing right now is we are actually removing Airtable. We will use Supabase instead of Airtable, because Supabase have free tier option, which is far more. Which has way more options than Airtable. Okay, so we will use Supabase. Airtable is a paid spreadsheet. Yeah, we already did that part. Go to Supabase, click on new project, project name, let's say lead gen. Create the lead table. This is important. Name the table leads. Description is optional. Column ID type is a UUID. Okay. There's a one column. Type is UUID. Okay. Default generate random UUID. Random UUID. Okay. Great. Business name. Created. Just let it be. Business name. Text. Okay. Okay. Email. Email is also text. Website is also text. I'm just doing what it says. Okay. Nothing fancy. Yeah, we already done that part. Created it. Okay, so this is all. You now have an empty lead dataset. Part B get supervised credential critical step. Okay, need to save it. No need to add foreign key. No need to add policies for now. Just click on save. Okay. So our database, empty database is ready. Okay. Now what it says, part 5 get supervised credential, get supervised API details. Go to project settings, click API. You need three things: project URL, anon public key, service role key. Use carefully. Okay. Find it, use service role key. Okay, got it.
Like this song? Check out the Shortlist playlist along with everything that's trending on YouTube Shorts. Listen now.
How could I know it would be goodbye, my love? When did the close of forever come, my love?
Let's say I don't know where to find project URL. Okay. Open your go to login, click your project, open project settings, left sidebar, click settings, project settings. Okay. So this is our project settings. Click API inside project settings, click API. Okay. API keys, I think this one. Okay. Then you are now on the only page you need. What you will see on the API page, you will see three important sections: project URL, level on page, looks like something this. Okay, this is the API key that we need to hide, by the way. Unknown key. Okay, let me just go through it. Okay. Okay, so we already find the project URL and what it is. This is the address of your database, and it need this to know where to send data. Okay, where you will use it, anything Supabase credential host. Okay, so let me just install Supabase over here. Was that get record from? So what we need, need to click on get a row. Let me just okay, let me just share you. Let me just share you where you will find this. Okay, so if you go through the, let's say you are on a Supabase website. Okay, so if you created your own table, okay, so this is homepage. What you have to what you have to do is you have to create a new project, then do the same steps that I have done. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to connect your Supabase. Okay, so to connect your Supabase you need your host, means project URL. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to click over here. This is your project URL, and you paste it over here, then secret, then service role secret. Okay, you will find your service key, secret service key over here. Just go to the project settings, then click on API keys, and here's the secret keys. Okay, got it. Just paste it over here and you are done. Okay, your Supervise account is connected. Okay, here's the table that you created. You will find it over here. Okay, so this is done. Okay, to get record from campaign table, this is what all about. Okay, so from list Apollo campaign, you will get a record from this. Okay, let me just connect it. Yeah, so one is done, then Apollo scraper, then is insert LinkedIn profile into Airtable 2. Okay, So what you have to do is you have to add another super base over here. Just go through it, what it says. Yeah, we already done that part. Okay, yeah, the service role key, no extra spaces before and after the key. Okay, yeah, this part is done. Okay, yeah, so the superbase installation is done. Now what we have to do is for the step 2. Oh yeah, we have done that part. Okay, new workflow, yeah, done. Save the workflow. Okay, so missing API keys, parameters, verify node, yeah, everything is working. Replace Airtable, we have done that part. Explain credential and API keys slowly. Run the workflow with fake test or datasets. Okay, before that what you have to do is we have to go for the Apollo scraper and look for the Apollo API key. Okay, I will do it right away. Before that, let's just complete that Airtable part. Okay, so this is the insert LinkedIn profile and this one is update. Okay, just do that. Go to the superbase, create, delete, get many, insert LinkedIn profile. What it says, insert LinkedIn profile into Airtable 2. Okay, so we get a row from Airtable, and if you are not able to find anything, we look for the Apollo scraper. We do the scrape and then create a record. So what we need to do is we need to update it or create it. Let's create. Okay, create a record and update a record. It's a create. Let's do the create part. Okay, table is leads, auto map input data to columns. Okay, we will do that part later. Just for the time being, for the sake of time, we are just removing Airtable and installing. Now this is one is update. Okay, just do the update part. Okay, yeah, this is all. Okay, so we need to do is we need to complete one by one each steps. Okay, after finish that steps we will move to the next step, and that is we will create a Fiverr account. Okay, I will share you the whole project in community, so don't worry. After completing the whole step I will share you over the community. Okay, so let's just move to the next step, and that is go Fiverr. Okay, let's look for the demo profiles that we actually use. Okay, We will look for the top sellers only. We're specifically looking for that one.
You're watching a toothbrush play Billie Eilish. But did you know that there's a YouTube Music app where you can also listen to the EDM version, the ska version, And of course,
Okay, we are looking. Okay, we already look for some profiles. Okay, we will create our own profile based on these profiles. These are some profiles that I sort. Okay, script, leads, email, phone number. Yeah. Just need to improve this ones. Okay, so these are the profiles that I think we can work on to create our own Fiverr profile. Okay, so tomorrow I will share my own profile and the complete data set. Okay, so this part will be done. Okay, the breakdown is done and the configuration is almost done. We have also looked for the Fiverr profiles, or only the thing is old email. Okay, so tomorrow what we will do is I will share you the Fiverr profile that I created and the full breakdown. Okay, full configuration of the template that we found. Okay, then we will start collecting the emails to do the cold outreach. Okay, after creating the Fiverr profile, I will share you the profile as well. Okay, so this is all for today. If you have anything, you can ask me right away. Okay, I'm just about to end this. Okay, wait for a minute. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, guys, so this is all for today. We will meet tomorrow.